Heavy winds across the island on Wednesday have disrupted electricity supply in several parishes. The Jamaica Public Service, JPS, says as much as 20% of its customers were left without power. Romardo Lyons has our story.
Up until about 6 p.m. Wednesday, some 15,000 Jamaicans were without electricity. Earlier, as many as 65,000. It's as a result of what the Jamaica Public Service, JPS, has described as an extreme wind event across the island. Director of Corporate Communications Winsome Callum says the outages occurred between 2 and 4 p.m.
We saw outages all the way from Manchester around to Kingston and even over in a section of St. Thomas. The wind affected the power delivery network primarily with trees, causing trees to come in contact with the lines and other items. Like in one case we had zinc from the roof of a house actually coming onto the lines and causing outages, and that happened in Kingston.
The parishes most affected are St. Catherine, Kingston and St. Andrew, and Clarendon. The utility company says Portmore was particularly hard hit. The good thing, JPS says, is
most of the customers who lost their power, they were restored within an hour or two.
Those still without electricity can expect it to be restored later this evening.
In most cases, not a lot of work needs to be done. It's just a matter of closing fuses that would have been opened by the wind and the interference on the lines. However, there are situations where the lines were actually broken, and it will take some time to repair these lines.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.
Hi guys, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone had a good day today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to you guys wherever you are watching my channel. May the Most High bless, keep, and prosper your way. So I have these prophecies for Jamaica, and it said, so the Most High gave me this prophecy, and it said, the murder in Jamaica is going to take a deadly turn for the worse. More policemen, children, and pastors going to be unalive. And it said the pastors, they're not doing their job, they're not doing what they're supposed to do. Jamaica is going to experience some strong breeze. If the government passed the law to ban corporal punishment in the home, it is going to be wrath between the child and the parents. Spare not the rod. That's what the Most High said. Jamaica, prepare for the hottest summer. It's going to be frying. So guys, this is what I got from the Most High. Hope you guys take heed and pray. Remember to store food and water because there is a famine coming. I did said it in my video that I did. A couple of my videos I did said that there is famine coming, there is drought coming, there is food shortage coming. So store food, store water, and pray. Keep in the Most High, walk in His ways, pray daily. Let it be your food. Praying, going in, going out. So that's all I have. So guys, have a blessed Sabbath. Shalom. Bye.